Namaste and welcome to Charlatan Chakshu. Today we will have a look at the top 5 fastest helicopters in the world. So let us begin with number 5, and at number 5 is the British and Italian Augusta Westland AW139M. The service span of this helicopter started from 2003 and is still active. The manufacturer of this helicopter is Augusta Westland. The role of this helicopter is medium lift, SAR and utility helicopter, where SAR is search and reconnaissance. The power plant is made by two Pratt & Whitney Canada turboshafts. The top speed of this helicopter is of 306 km per hour. Moving on to number 4. At number 4 is again a British and Italian AW101 or EH101 Merlin. The service span of this helicopter started from 1999 and is still active. The manufacturer of this helicopter is also Augusta Westland, which now has become Leonardo. The role of this helicopter is anti-submarine warfare, medium lift transport and utility helicopter. The power plant is made by three Rolls-Royce Turbomeca turboshafts. The top speed of this helicopter is 309 km per hour. Moving on to number 3. And at number 3 we have Mi 35M, which was originally made by Soviet Union and now you can say Russia. The service span of this helicopter started in 1972 and is still active. The manufacturer of this helicopter is Mil Moscow Helicopter Plant. The role is of attack helicopter with transport capabilities. The power plant is made by two isotope turbines. The top speed of this helicopter is 310 km per hour. Moving on to number 2, and at number 2 is the American Boeing CH-47 Chinook. The service span started from 1962 and is still active. The manufacturer is Boeing. The role is transport helicopter. The power plant is made by two Lycoming turboshafts. Top speed of this helicopter is 315 kilometers per hour. Now let us finally have a look at the fastest helicopter in the world. And at number 1 is the British Westland Lynx. The service span started from 1978 and it is still in service. The manufacturer of this helicopter was also Augusta Westland. The role is of multi-purpose military helicopter. Power plant is made by two Rolls-Royce GEM turboshafts. Top speed of this helicopter is 401 kilometers per hour or 249 miles per hour. Thank you guys for watching. Do like, share, comment and subscribe at the channel. Do consider to have a look at the whole new series called Fastest at the channel itself. Chakshu, over and out.